Right, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the count and count a functions in Excel and explaining how these functions are different. So here we're given a data set of employee data with the names and ages of the employees. So let's just get into using the functions right away. So for example, if we use the count function for the names, we get the following. Whoops, like this. Right, we get 0. And that's because count only counts cells with numbers. So if it's a text like this, count will not count any of these cells. On the other hand, if we use count A, like this, okay, we get the following 7. And that's because count A counts non-empty cells regardless of content. So count A counts text, it counts numbers. So if we count individually, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, which is what count A produced. Now let's go to the numbers. If we use the count function, we get the following. 4. And that's because there's 4 inputs here, right? 1, 2, 3, and 4. If we use count A as well, let's see what we get. We also get 4 because count A is counting these numbers as well. And it does not count the empty cells right here. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.